The who, whom, whose mystery. Unlocking interrogative pronouns. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another enlightening lesson in our series. Today, we're unraveling a topic that often perplexes English learners: interrogative pronouns. Specifically, we're going to tackle who, whom, whose. Yes, these are three tiny words that carry a lot of weight in English. But no worries, by the end of this video, you'll have mastered these pronouns and be able to use them correctly and confidently. So, let's dive in. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They replace the noun that we're asking about. Who, whom, and whose are three such pronouns. They might seem interchangeable at first, but each one serves a unique purpose in a sentence. Who is used to refer to the subject of a sentence. That is, when you're asking about the person who is doing the action. For instance, you might ask, "Who made these delicious cookies?" Here, who is asking about the person who performed the action of making cookies. Now, let's move on to whom. It's a bit trickier than who, because it's used less often in casual conversation, and many native speakers don't use it correctly. Whom is used to refer to the object of a verb or preposition. So when you're asking about the person who the action is done to, you use whom. For example, to whom was the letter written? Here, whom is used because it's the receiver of the action. Finally, we've got whose. This is used to ask about possession. When you want to know who something belongs to, you use whose. For instance, "Whose book is this?" is asking about the owner of the book. It's practice time. Now that we've covered the theory, let's look at some examples and test your understanding. Who is cooking dinner? Looking for the person performing the action. Whom are you inviting to the party? Asking about the person who will receive the action. Whose car is parked outside? Inquiring about the owner of the car. Great job, everyone! Remember, learning is all about practice. The more you use who, whom, and whose, the more comfortable you'll get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are proof that you're trying, and each mistake is a step forward on your English language journey. Thank you for joining us today. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy language exploring.